Hi everyone, welcome to the Techno Galaxy. Thomas here, and today we will be doing a review of ESET Mobile Security Premium. ESET is a software company founded in 1992 in Slovakia which specializes in cybersecurity. ESET security products are made in Europe and they provide security software in over 200 countries and territories worldwide, and its software is localized into more than 30 languages. At present, ESET is recognized as Europe's biggest privately held cybersecurity company. So coming back to the topic of this video, today we will be doing a comprehensive review of ESET Mobile Security Premium, and we'll be covering its key components. ESET Mobile Security Premium has also earned the Approved Mobile Product certification by AV Comparatives for the second year in a row. AV Comparatives is an independent testing lab which specializes in antivirus and security software evolutions. Receiving this recognition in consecutive years shows its performance and effectiveness against the latest mobile threats. For today's review, we are using an Android phone running ESET Mobile Security Premium. So let's get started. Now, after we open the app, you will notice that it shows you the current status of your application and highlights all the different features it comes equipped with. It also gives you a brief activity log on the main screen that shows you its latest activity to safeguard your device. You can see the full activity log history by tapping Full Report. In the activity log Full Report, you can also use filters to filter activities by status or by features. For an example, I can see exactly when the antivirus was updated and when it proactively scanned an app installation or an app update to safeguard this device. We can also do security audit, which reviews the permission given to each application installed on a device to prevent security risk. For example, we can check all the apps that have access to your messages or your contacts or tracking your location. Also, if you do not want an app to be tracking your location, you could just tap it to go under Settings and revoke its permission. Now let's look at Anti-Phishing feature. It gives you a list of protected browser, and in our case, it's Chrome. You can also see the number of web pages it has proactively scanned, and you will be alerted anytime you click on a phishing link, which is a very useful feature, especially in today's digital era, to stay protected from unsafe websites. You can also scan your device or schedule automatic scan or enable automatic scan when the device is charging. Tapping the three dots on the top right corner gives us access to another useful feature called Adware Detector. It helps you identify applications that overlay your screen with unwanted ads. You can identify these annoying applications and tap Remove to remove them from your device. Now let's go back to the main menu and show you another new feature called Payment Protection. Payment Protection is an additional layer of protection designed to protect your banking and payment applications. You can add apps to the Safe Launcher by tapping on Manage at the top right and selecting the application you want to protect. You can add and securely open your banking and payment applications from this Safe Launcher. Now let's go back to the dashboard again and let's look at the Anti-Theft Protection option. With this feature, your device will auto-lock if someone removes your SIM card or if someone fails to unlock the device 3 times in a row. After the device is locked, it can also display the contact details on the home screen in case someone finds it, and it also takes a photo from the front and the back camera. With this feature enabled, if you lose your phone, you can just log in to your linked ESET Home online account which you created at the time of registering an account with ESET, then go to the Anti-Theft option here, then select your linked device and mark your device as missing. As soon as you do that, your mobile locks down. If someone finds your phone, they can open the contact details on the lock screen to find out who the device belongs to. And in the meanwhile, on your ESET Home account, you will start receiving the location of the device along with the IP address and images from the front and back camera. If you get your phone back, you can unlock your device by marking it as not missing from this ESET Home account. So that's it for today's video, everyone. To conclude this review, we can see that ESET Mobile Security Premium is a very useful security software for your device with beneficial features, and it can also come very handy to track your phone if you lose your device somehow. I hope you guys found my video of ESET Mobile Security Premium review useful. I have included a discounted link for the software at the video description box down below, which you can check if you are interested in it. If you enjoyed watching this video, I would be highly thankful if you please leave a thumbs up to the video. And also please subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more content like this. I will see you guys on our next video. Until then, please take care and stay safe, everyone.